So there's three big stories to talk about already this week, and that's record house prices, institutional landlords, and the green home revolution. It's Monday the 11th of November, let's break it all down. So it's literally only 4 o'clock on Monday, and already we've got three big breaking stories. We're seeing record average house price growth, banks turning into landlords, and lenders like Skipton starting to lead the charge on greener homes. So let's start with the Halifax House Price Index. The index is showing a 0.6% rise nationwide in October, pushing the average house price to just shy of £300,000, and that's a new record. And mortgage approvals are up too, hitting their highest level in a year. Now, affordability is still a challenge, and this is especially felt by first-time buyers. But the property market is showing a lot of resilience. And here in the East Midlands, we're seeing steady buyer interest. Some sellers being a little bit more realistic, and some buyers are edging back a little, but product choice from lenders is at a record high. So while this isn't the boom of 2021, it's certainly a great sign of stability in the market. And then there's Lloyds Bank. Not happy with just wanting to lend on property, it looks like now they're trying to own it. Lloyds Bank's rental arm is now managing around 7,500 properties in the UK, and they've got a target of 50,000 by 2030. And that's part of a wider trend. Big institutions are getting heavily into the private rental sector. The argument is that it helps build supply and it offers professional property management. But the worry is that we'll see smaller landlords squeezed out of the market and therefore less choice available. So if you're a buy-to-let investor or even a renter, this is absolutely worth keeping your eye on, because this could 100% reshape the rental landscape over the next few years. And then to end on a high, the green housing movement. Skipton Building Society, along with Green Finance Institute and a bunch of developers, just held an industry event on the Future Homes Standard. And this isn't just about solar panels and insulation. It's about how we fund sustainable housing. Green mortgages are growing fast, and lenders are wanting to reward homeowners that have got higher EPC ratings, more energy efficient homes. And they're doing this with better rates. So if you're planning home improvements to boost your EPC rating or you're retrofitting your current home, it's worth talking to a broker and asking about the funding options that are available, because lenders are definitely paying attention to this segment of the market. So there you have it, 4 o'clock Monday, and already a mixed picture of news coming through. But it's an encouraging picture. Prices are resilient, institutions are investing, and the green shift is really gaining traction. Whether you're moving, remortgaging or upgrading your home, the advice of a good broker matters more than ever, and especially with the budget just around the corner. I'm Patrick Weightman, your local East Midlands mortgage and protection advisor. Links are in the bio if you want to get in touch, and I'll see you soon.